Okay, so Esther was afraid of approaching the king because that was just not done. You couldn't do that unless you had an invitation from the king. So, verse 14 of chapter 4 says, "For if you remain silent at this time, relief and deliverance for the Jews will arise from another place, but you and your father's family will perish." And who knows? And who knows but that you have come to a royal position for such a time as this. Oh, please. I have something to attend to. You are not a ghost. You are just a man screaming behind the curtain. Boom, 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 boom. Is it time for dinner?
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Who were you dressed as today?
Ghost.
Oh, ghost. Okay. Because you have no shirt on. I was wondering if you were the Hulk.
Ooh. What?
My screen is moving.
What?
This ain't no time to be playing in the laundry. There's a ghost in our house. Two. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm very scared. Very scared. Say hi.
What's up?
Look over there.
What's up, guys? My dogs. Ooh.
Very scared. Very scared. Scary.
Bam.
Yeah. You said that. You already said that. Okay. I'll be up soon. Still talking. All right. So here we go. And there are scripture after scripture. So the thing that I watched, it was from YouTube. Let me give you a link. If you're interested in getting a link, all my screens are, I don't know where all my screens are. What happened to all my screens? What screen am I looking at? All right. I think that is going to be the next thing, the next Devo that I do on stream, because it really changed my life. And I don't know what's going on with OVR right now. So, what is going on? Why does it look so funky? Oh, okay. Huh, I just learned something. Okay, let's continue coloring Israel. And then we'll rate out. Again. The boy came down when I was on a roll. I was about to get on a roll. But I don't have time to get on a roll. I have time to continue the roll. So I will continue that roll, because if you're going through it, if you're going through what I was going through, still going through, I think you need to hear it. I think there's a reason that I heard this, so I can share it with you. Another thing I learned recently is if you think you want internet fame, if you think you want YouTube fame, if you think you want Twitch fame or YouTube fame, think again. You may not be able to handle what you think you want. Again. All right, I think that's all we're going to do for today. Going to do some work off stream. But for now, we're gonna raid out. Free help. Let's find... Oh! Look who's available. Woofler77 is available. Let's go see Woofler. Let's put the raid command in the chat. Feel free to copy that command from my chat into Woofler's chat. And then we're gonna